Welcome to today's tutorial on how to use TradingView's volume profile. In this video, we will explore the volume profile feature, which provides valuable insights into the trading activity of a specific price range. This information can help you make better trading decisions by analyzing where most trading occurred at different price levels. To begin, log into your TradingView account and open a chart of your choice. Once your chart is open, locate the Indicators section, typically found at the top of your screen. Click on it, then type Volume Profile in the search bar. There are several options available, such as Fixed Range and Session Volume Profile. For this tutorial, we will select the Fixed Range Volume Profile, which allows you to analyze the volume over a specific period of time. After selecting the Fixed Range Volume Profile, click and drag your mouse across the desired price range on the chart. You will notice that the volume profile displays a histogram showing the volume traded at each price level during that selected period. Pay close attention to the point of control, which is the price level with the highest volume. This level can act as a key support or resistance area in your future trading strategies. Finally, remember to adjust the settings of the volume profile to fit your trading style. You can change parameters such as the period you're analyzing, style of the histogram, and visibility on different time frames. Experiment with these features to see how they impact your trading analysis. By integrating the volume profile into your trading routine, you will gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and improve your ability to make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more trading tutorials.